Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. So when you lift your Jeep, obviously you have to adjust the track bar to adjust the axle, and I'll show you why you need to adjust it and also how to do it. Okay, so a good way to measure how off your axle is, so you want to find a spot where it's on both sides, and I'm just going to use right behind the spring, right underneath that line there. And then you look down. What I use is the edge of the tire, and on this side I'm about 22 inches. On the other side I'm at 21 inches. It's kind of hard to see because it's dark, so it's about an inch over to the driver's side. So see, you can see it's in the fender here, and on this side it pops out a whole lot more. So we're gonna have to adjust the track bar so that the wheel is even on both sides. Okay, so obviously if you're looking up this video, you should have an adjustable track bar. I myself have a trail forge. So what I'm gonna do is loosen up the end on the axle side, and that side is the heim joint side. So I'm gonna loosen that up so we can go ahead and adjust it. Okay, so now we got the bolt out. I'm gonna loosen up the jam nut here so we can go ahead and adjust it. And I'm using a crescent wrench. It's what I have, so that's what I'm gonna use. Okay, so I ended up taking it out because I couldn't figure this out. The nut, to loosen it, you have to go down. So this is how it would be placed in the Jeep. You have to go down counterclockwise, push it out, so it pushes this side out. I'm gonna do 2 turns. So it was like this, so it's gonna be 1, 2, and that I think should do it. So we're gonna try it out and see where it lands. So the easiest way to do this is to have a friend turn on the car and move the steering wheel while you line up the bolt. All right, Chris, go ahead. Go right, the other way, a little bit more, stop. Look, hold that. Move it left to right, for the most part. So now we're gonna measure the wheels again. All right, so next step is to measure from the same spot again. And now we're at 21 with 3/4. 21 with 3/4. I think we need more turns actually. This side we're 21 and 1/4. So we're probably gonna do 2 more turns.
Press, you're good?
We are at 21 and a half on the hole up in front. Okay, so the easiest way, like I said, is to have a friend inside turning the steering wheel as you're lining up the hole down here. And that's honestly gonna be the easiest. And now I actually measured it. It's even on both sides. So if you look down from the fender, this one's a little bit bent out right there, but we have the same amount of tire poke on both sides. So we are good to go now. We're gonna tighten everything back up, and that'll be it for the track bar. All right guys, so that's a quick video on how to adjust your track bar. It's a pretty simple thing to do as long as you have a friend moving the steering wheel for you. And yeah, that's pretty much it for the video. If you have any questions on how to adjust the track bar, leave them down below. Also leave a like and share with your friends. I would really appreciate that, and it helps me out a lot. So see you on the next video. Peace. Yeah, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.